when we're working collaboratively in play, we're really addressing that social skill piece as well. So working collaboratively with another person, taking turns, engaging in this back and forth flow with another person, accepting somebody else's idea as you're building and constructing with some of these items.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the FlagHouse Sensory channel. My name is Chris. I'm here with Michele Parkins at her gym, the Great Kids Place in Rockaway, New Jersey. And we're looking at a great variety of products that you have in this activity kit for swing therapy. So in a previous episode, we already talked a little bit about the importance of swing therapy. Today, let's talk a little bit about the variety and the utility of all these. So the great part about these is you can do a whole bunch of different activities that work on different sensory inputs, right?
Right, yes, correct. So while we talked last time about the swing being something that is pretty core to our OT sensory work, but we also want to consider what else we can do, right? So we're not really just going to swing. We want to think about the other things we can work into that activity in that session. And often, a lot of times, our kids can be very organized and regulated and available for different work when they're on a swing. So this kit has still within that play-based theme that we talked about in the last episode being very important, a lot of variety of tactile, fine motor, and bilateral coordination activities. The idea of blasting into space and working with different moon rocks, right, and different planet rocks, so all these different things that feel different. And that tactile system is actually foundational to our fine motor work, right? Okay. So we do have more kind of that more traditional work with your hands, moving the marble through the maze, kind of deciding where you're going on the planet with the buckets and the squigs, a lot of the connection and pulling and those kinds of things that are really good for hand work.
We focused a lot on kind of the sensory input of a lot of these products. And one of the neat things that I noticed and that you talked about a lot was the extra input of the social skills into these games too.
Right, yeah. So keeping with the play theme and really looking at, as an occupational therapist, we want to think about the whole child and the whole family dynamic. And a lot of our kids who have sensory motor differences also have social emotional challenges and really need a little bit of boost as well in that department. So when we're working collaboratively in play, we're really addressing that social skill piece as well. So working collaboratively with another person, taking turns, engaging in this back and forth flow with another person, accepting somebody else's idea as you're building and constructing with some of these items. I wonder if this would fit this way or fit that way, and really just kind of welcoming them to what would happen with a peer, where they would kind of come in and decide maybe not what your plan is their plan.
Fantastic. So you've got the social skills built in, we've got some fine motor that we did. All this is available in the write-up for the activities that comes included with the kit. If you like this video, if you like this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We have brand new videos every single week. Thank you so much for Michele for having us to Great Kids Place. It's been a blast, and we hope to see you next time on the FlagHouse Sensory channel.